Alright, we are now at page 2 of writing chemical equation notes. Okay, before we start, I would like you to refer to your periodic table once again. Do you notice that there is a center block over here that doesn't have any charges, right? You see, there's not written anything over here. So I just like to share with you, this is what we call the transition metals that has variable charges, meaning they can take on more than one type of charge. But then won't it be very confusing, you might ask me. Okay, so page 2 has got some clues over here. So like for example, copper 1, copper 2, iron 2, iron 3. In any question, it will be written very clearly what is the charge in Roman numerals in brackets. So that is where you are able to tell what are the charges. So I'm going to give an example that's not in your notes. I'd like you to take it down at the side. If you are asked to write the chemical formula for copper 2 chloride. Okay, so first thing, once again, what sort of bonding is present? Copper is a metal. Chlorine is a non-metal. So when they actually combine to form a substance, it is an ionic compound. So there's an ionic bonding present within it. Okay, next up, let's determine by writing the ions first. So for copper 2, based on the bracket, the number in the bracket, I am able to tell its charge will be Cu2 plus. And chloride, which we have done earlier on, if not, you can refer to the periodic table once again. Okay, has a charge, so it's Cl minus. What was it that I reminded all of you? Always check for are the charges balanced? Not quite. We see that there is an additional positive charge. So what does that requires you to do? Okay, we need to increase the negative ions present. So therefore, we have Cu2 plus, the positive over here. Instead of one ion, we now have got 2. Is it balanced? Yes. They each have 2 positive and we have 2 negative. How do we display? Cu, Cl2.